ni uroka ni horo wigie uria andu aitu makoragwo makiandikwo kura gwa public service marandikwo na merit kana ni politically influenced?
Marandikwo na merit na no nginya twitikire twina thina nene muno sana ta a Kenya tondu wa mwaka universities yetu tutiguo overall colleges universities Nairobi University, Kenyatta University, Technical University, Mombasa University, you know, Pwani University, sorry. University no cionthe irangraduate thia ciana na degree ngorani wa mwaka not less than 150,000.
Yes.
So kuma 2022 150, 2023 150, 2024 150, mwako 150,000. Now internship you can enroll for instance 5,000. Ciana ile kwa apply ne ngiri magana matatu for 5,000 and all of them are qualified. How do you go about that? So you no geria gocaria kamwanya kanini karia ka ngituma uge amanemo magirite. Okidra SHA ne advertise some advertisement. Maybe 20 positions. Alama apply 80,000. We have a problem. Tuina thina ta furuli.
Yes.
Na nwanginya tugo tuina conversation ta furuli tumenya atiriri. Ni tweka atia. How are we go ni to the remithia nyamu igwetwa private sector yetu atia. Ni getha ciana ino irira ri university nyingi ithino private sector.
Yes.
Na nikiorona munene wa bururi ena project nyingi iria arageria cia kutuma ciana niko nirandikwa thino wa affordable housing program, kazi mtaani, kazi maju, you know these sectors.
Yes.
Nigetha to ensure andu marandikwa ru vale thino wa public service commission. Public service commission is a independent commission.
Yes.
Iria yo ni ta minister ndina njara ya kukorwa I think yuga neve kuona nona ne independent constitution commission ta teacher service commission kana human right commission independent commission iria salary and whatever commission ile thondeketwo ne katiba. So indi noguo at the policy level ndi munene wa policy whether cia cia wadekani anawata the public service commission.
Yes.
So we are insisting kindu kiria mu Kenya agirwo ni korona kio negetha one wira is the skills, is the qualification, is merit. So we continue insisting on meritocracy. Now from where I sit a Kenya marandekwa na merit. But now, tondo we qualified, no ingeni qualified, na okiande ko ingia gitigwa ukegwa kwina overall athi atiriri mundu nyi kwa ararutire mbeca ne gathandikwa. Lakini it's not the truth. Maybe statistic too.
Yes.
You scored C na ke mundu randikirwe scored A. But all of you have the same degree. Yes.
Okay, all right. Karibu sana.